So exclusive. Has a dust bag, guys. Oh, cantiknya. Oh, this is so nice. Like those branded, right? And I think cantik sangat. Okay, and this is the zip. You see the interior. This is very good quality though. The handle is good quality. Cantik kan? Ini dia punya. So there's compartment here. Okay, you can keep barang-barang sini. See the brand. Very exclusive ya. Okay lah. Okay, so this is the zip. I think this bag looks very mahal. One, ada satu lagi. So nice. I love the dark chocolate color. It's suede. Tak turun-turun this. Okay. So this is the compartment. I think this is a very beautiful bag. Nicely done. See, nampak mahal sangat. I love it. Christian. Oh my god.